In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to create a professional email signature for a consultant, starting from just a simple text. Here's an example of what our consultant's final signature will look like. So let's go. First, go to Bybrand and click to create a new email signature using plain text. Now let's add the information. In our example, I'll start with a logo at the top, followed by the consultant's name and title. In the next section, we'll create a call to action button with the text, "Schedule a 15-minute meeting with me," perfect for making it easy to book meetings. Just below that, I'll insert the contact details and website of our fictitious consulting firm. And to finish this first part, we'll add a row with social media icons. That's it. Now just click to convert the plain text into editable content. Now comes the second part, where we're going to further personalize the signature with our firm's visual identity. I'll add the company logo and adjust the font of the consultant's name to something more elegant. Important, save the changes so you don't lose anything you've done so far. Now let's pay special attention to the CTA button, making it more prominent and eye-catching. Oh, and since we're on TikTok too, let's add the icon for the social network. Take a look at this preview of our signature. It looks great. Now let's add the links to all our social networks to the icons. To use the signature, it's simple. Click on the Paste into Email button. Here you have two options. You can copy the rendered content manually, or, if you prefer, send it directly to the user's email account via the integration with Google Workspace or Zoho CRM. What's more, you can quickly duplicate the signature to create a similar version for another consultant on the team.